Why learning React is important in 2026. Hi everyone, welcome back to Winseal IT Training. Today, I'll tell you in less than 3 minutes about why learning React in 2026 is one of the best decisions you can make as a developer. Let's go! First, React is everywhere. React powers websites and apps you can use every day. Facebook, Instagram, Netflix, and even top Indian startups. Second, jobs. A lot of jobs. React is one of the most in-demand front-end skills. Whether you're applying for your first job or switching careers, knowing React puts you ahead. Third, build once, reuse everywhere. React uses reusable components. Build UI once, reuses across your app. It's fast, efficient, and clean. Fourth, web, mobile, more power. Learn React once, then you can build mobile apps too, thanks to React Native. That's two platforms with one skill. 5. Huge community support. Stuck somewhere? React have massive community support. You can easily find your solutions, libraries, and tools for almost everything. So in short, React is not just a library, it's a career opportunity. And in 2026, it's more relevant than ever. Drop a comment below with your current learning path. I'll reply to each comment. Like this video, smash that like button, and subscribe for more future-ready IT content. We will see you in the next one.